Good day to all. Welcome to the School Innovation Marathon 2024. I am Dhanwant and here is my teammate Adit. We are from Class 9, Excel Public School, Mysore. We developed a game, Modern and Conquer. It is a board game designed to teach the process of mathematical modeling through a real life application to the students of grades 7 to 10.
It incorporates the evolution of a pandemic utilizing a susceptible infected recovery model. We also surveyed math teachers to know their opinion on when and how to introduce math modeling to students and to know whether they are taught in their class. The teacher said that math modeling can be introduced even from lower grades. It can be introduced by connecting to real life scenarios. Also, they need resource materials to introduce it in class.
When we surveyed students to know how they want to learn mathematical modeling, they said that they want to learn it through games connected to real life scenarios. In our research, we found that the available pandemic games in market focus on strategic thinking and decision making skills, but not on analyzing the data to make predictions for long term outcomes of the pandemic.
To bridge this gap, we developed a board game, Model and Conquer, a hands-on interactive platform that enables students to explore mathematical modeling in a practical and engaging way. We designed this game for students of grades 7 to 10. The game has three zones: village, town, and city. It is a three-player game. Each player gets to choose a zone and acts ahead of the zone. Sarpanch, Zilla Panchayat head, Mayor, to control the spread of virus by taking necessary actions. The player with lowest infected and highest recovered population and most accurate predictions wins the game. Initially, the population is represented by blue pawns. As the game progresses, the blue pawns are replaced with red pawns to show the infected population, and these red pawns are replaced by green pawns to show the recovered population.
There are 4 levels, and each level is assigned with different game cards. Each level has 5 rounds to play. Each player rolls a dice and picks an infection card randomly. If the assigned number appears, the player gets an action point. Each time the players roll the dice, they need to enter the action points, used action points, susceptible, infected, and recovered population in the tracking sheet.
After each level, the cards remaining will be carried to the next level and some cards will be unlocked. Players can buy a control card with one action point to control the infection and use two action points to buy a recovery card to recover people from infection. If a player gets two mutation cards, there will be an outbreak of virus which leads to 90% infected population. Then the player will lose the game. After the gameplay, each player needs to plot the graph of susceptible, infected, and recovered population and identify the trends to make predictions for the future.
Through this game, the players go through the process of mathematical modeling and use math concepts and tools to analyze data and interpretations to make predictions. We thank ATL, our mentor, and our school for providing this opportunity. Thank
Thank
you.
you.